Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTier, and I am your host for today's video. Okay, y'all, so what am I going to do with these? All right, so I was in the Dollar Tree, and I saw these. Now, the Dollar Tree does get these in from time to time, but before I decided to do this video, y'all, I had no idea what I was going to make or create with these, but now I know what I'm going to do with these. So I just wanted to come to you all just to show you these little, these are Crafter's Square. I tore the thing off of them, but these are definitely by Crafter's Square. I believe that's the people who, the company that, and these are imported. Are they imported? Yeah. It says that they're imported. But I got these a while ago. I couldn't figure out at first what I wanted to do with these, because these are glass beads. And I know that those of you who make jewelry have picked these up from time to time. And so I'm going to be making a project. I'm going to be doing something, a DIY or something like that out of these, using these. Because at first I was like, what am I going to do with these? But I figured it out now, y'all. I have an idea that I am going to come to you all with to show y'all how to make something using these right here. Yep, that's exactly what I'm going to do. So with that being said, I just want to take this time to say thank y'all for joining me. I greatly appreciate it, my beloved kings and queens. And that's all I have for y'all today, okay? And if you want to, you can get these, definitely get these from the Dollar Tree. Every time I go in there, they're always in there, but they run out of them. So all right, y'all. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so much for watching. And I also want to say that I will be going live this Saturday at 12 o'clock. I changed the time to 12 o'clock in the afternoon. And I'm going to be talking about the swaps. I was going to say the squats. The swaps. For those of you who want to join me, please tune in for that. For those of you who want more information on the swaps and what they are all about. Okay, so Saturday, 12 o'clock in the afternoon, Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so with that being said, I just want to say thank y'all so very much for joining me. All right, peace and blessings, my beloved kings and queens. See ya.